Okay, guys. So now I want to do a quick video to show you what to do in case you want to submit for your project, maybe a link. This is great for those of you that are thinking, oh, I'm going to work on Canva and I don't want to download to my computer. I'd much rather just send Bonnie a link to the project directly on Canva. Cool. That's an awesome way to submit, but we do need to make sure that we're submitting correctly so that I can see it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Ooh, my nose looks real shiny here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right. So what if we're one of the cool people that is working on Canva? Let's say this is my project on Canva. I'm working on a vision board. Let's say I'm done. I'm ready to submit it. If I'm ready to submit this, I got to do a couple of things. First, I need to make sure that I prepare my project on Canva to actually submit it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the right-hand corner on Canva where it says share. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And here, I'm going to make sure that I come down to this area that says public view link. Thank you, Dylan. Public view link, and we're going to click on that right here. It's one of the options right under copy link. It says present public view link, template link. We want to click on the public view link. That's going to allow you to create a link that will let anyone who you give that link to see it. So now it's doing that for us. It's going to say down here, create public view link. We're going to click on that. And the next thing it's going to do is it's going to give us a link that we can then submit to Blackboard. So I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that link. Now that I've copied that link, I'm ready to go to Blackboard. Actually, I'm going to just start from the very beginning with Blackboard. So we're going to make sure that we log in. I'm just going to go over the login one more time for those of us that maybe have forgotten. We're going to go to myutrgv.edu. Say we're done. We're ready to submit our project tonight or maybe Friday night. And go sign in. Make sure that we sign in with our UTRGV email and password. And then it will take us to the UTRG or my UTRGV landing page, which is what we're going to see coming up right now. On the right hand side, you're going to see the email, and then on the left hand side, you'll see the applications. We're going to click on Blackboard, which is this one right here. Click on that. And we're going to go into our Blackboard, the Blackboard landing page, the main menu. We're going to go on the left hand side menu. We're going to look for My Courses, and we're going to find our summer course WRLS 0324J. Now, what happens if you don't find that class? You're like, oh my God, something else is listed here. Maybe like, oh, we're looking at like, where is it? The fall, accidentally. Sometimes it'll be on something else. Pay close attention. If you don't find our class, you might be in the wrong terms. Super easy to correct that. You just come to this little drop-down menu where it says terms and go ahead and click on Summer 2, 2024. And we're going to go down to WRLS 0324J Summer 2. And that takes us directly into our Blackboard where you see the announcements. To submit the project, you want to go in, like whatever project that we're doing that week, it's going to be in that week. So if it's due that week, you want to go to that week. So like if this project is, we're doing it on week 1. So we want to go to week 1 in the left-hand menu. So we're going to go to week 1 because that's where the project is to submit it. Click on that. We're going to click on it again. This is just the main opening page for it. And now we are in this menu with all the table of contents on the site, all the work that we've done so far. If you don't remember what stage 1 was about, you can go back and read it under Wednesday, stage 1 rollout. Just in case you want to refresh, you're like, oh, I want to make sure that I'm doing all the things I need to do. It's always good to take a look at the prompt or the PDF assignment. You know, did I do this? Did I get the 5 things? Did I categorize them? Did I write about the impact they would have? At least three of those things. And did I pick out the one that I really want to start learning? If I've done all those things, I'm in a good place. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. So if you feel like, okay, I got that, I've nailed all those parts, then we're ready to submit it. In order to submit it, we're going to look on the table of contents again, and we're going to go down to where it says Thursday, stage 1, revised and completed, because again, it's due Thursday, so it's going to be on Thursday. We're going to click on that, and it'll take us to the main submission page. You'll see here, make sure you submit it by July 18th at 11:59. That's the official deadline. There is an automatic extension. Go all the way to the bottom, and you'll see that information. There's a 24-hour extension. You don't have to ask me for it. If you need it, take it. You might need more time tonight or tomorrow. So you know what? I'd rather take the extension, turn it in Friday. It'll be available Friday until 11:59 for that extension at no penalty to your grade. If you submit it after that time, then it will be considered late. Watch out. It will still be open on Saturday for those of you that need to submit it late. However, if you don't submit it by Saturday, this will close down. You come back here, you won't find any place to submit it. So be aware, assignments do close down, and we need to make sure that we are submitting on time to get our assignments in. Okay, so we know all the technicals. We're here, we're ready to submit. So I have my link that I copied from Canva. Where do I go to submit that? Well, let's scroll all the way down. And right here, where it says submissions, we have some options: create submission, upload file, and add comments. You can either put your link under create submission, or if that doesn't work, you can simply go to add comments and paste your link there. I'll be able to see it either way. Some people like to do it both just in case. Totally works. When you're done, you're going to hit that submit button. Now for me, it won't fully submit because I'm in teacher mode. It'll never let me submit an assignment. However, what you'll see after you hit submit is it'll show you what you submitted. Give it a minute or two. You want to check to make sure that it did submit. If you see a blank page or nothing there, the submission didn't go through. So you'll want to start new. And there's an option. If you say, oh, it didn't go through the way I wanted to, you'll have another button available to you on that new page that says start new. Go ahead and click start new, and you can submit it again. You can submit as many times as you need to up until the deadline. So feel free to take advantage of that. And that's it. That is how you submit a link from Canva. All right, my smarties, my nerdies, I hope I'll see you. I know I'll see you in the Zoom tomorrow with our guest speaker. And of course, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out via email or even join my Zoom office hours tomorrow. I'll be there in my office hours from 1:30 to 3:30. I think I'm going to be on Zoom predominantly this Friday just because of my back hurting. But yeah, I'll see you there. All right. Bye, guys.